Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. This is where we give you hot, fresh, and sizzling news all day long. If this is your first time here, you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, also give this video a massive thumbs up. Lastly, please leave your opinions in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's delve right into the details of today's news. A fresh courtroom drama has unfolded in Abuja, where a federal high court has struck out a legal challenge against a prior order, granting embattled former Deputy Senate President Ekweremadu access to David Uko's biodata for use in UK courts. Justice Eyangeko ruled that the suit filed by Edo's civil society organizations, EDOSCO, had no legal standing. According to the judge, Edosco lacked the legal personality to sue or be sued under Article 3, subsection E of the Fundamental Rights Enforcement Procedure Rules, 2009. Ekweremadu, who was convicted alongside his wife Beatrice and medical doctor Obinna Obeta in the UK for organ trafficking, has been at the center of a globally scrutinized legal battle. The latest ruling, delivered on February 5, underscores the court's stance on procedural technicalities. Justice Ekon noted that Edosco, as an entity, had improperly filed the case, while its counsel, Bamidele Igbinedion, attempted to circumvent this fact in the affidavit supporting the suit. The counsel for the applicant is aware of this, but cleverly avoided stating it. On the face of the application, the judge remarked. Furthermore, the judge agreed with the defense's argument that the relief sought were unrelated to fundamental rights enforcement. The requested information has already been utilized as the respondent, the Ekweremadus, stood trial and were convicted in May 2023, ECHO concluded. In June 2022, London Metropolitan Police arrested and charged Ekweremadu and his wife Beatrice Ekweremadu for allegedly bringing David Upo to the UK for organ harvesting. Initially, UK authorities believed Upo was a minor, but official Nigerian records, his passport and bank verification number BVN, confirmed he was 21. Seeking to clarify Upo's age, the Ekweremadus filed a suit FHC ABJCS 984-2022 at the Federal High Court in Abuja on June 27, 2022. They sought an order compelling the National Identity Management Commission to provide a certified true copy (CTC) of Uko's biodata. Justice Ekwo granted the request on July 1, 2022, ordering NIMC, Nigeria Immigration Service, NIS, Stanbic IBTC, and United Bank of Africa, UBA, to furnish the necessary details. In March 2023, a UK court convicted Ekweremadu, his wife Beatrice, and Obinna Obeta under the UK's Modern Slavery Act of 2015 for conspiring to traffic a young man for organ trafficking. On May 5, 2023, Justice Jeremy Johnson handed Ekweremadu a 9-year and 8-month prison sentence. Beatrice received 4 years and 6 months, while Obeta was sentenced to 10 years behind bars. Beatrice has since been released and has returned to Nigeria. What are your thoughts? Let's have them in the comment section. Before we go, guys, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. Frank says, it's the medical doctor who put Ekweremadu in these avoidable circumstances. The doctor pocketed the millions he was contracted with and did not take the young man into confidence. He went for someone he can manipulate when so many are looking for who will buy theirs due to hardship. Ekweremadu was not involved in the negotiation. It was a medical staff who explained to the guy when he was in the hospital, probably because of his boyish look. Ekweremadu is a victim of circumstances. It's such a pity, really a pity. Their doctor is still suffering from the same kidney problem that she had before the parents were taken to prison. And, the parents are now being in prison, although the wife has been released, but, the father is still in prison. It's such, sad thing, to have happened to them, apart from the fact that they are having to deal with, probably losing their daughter. They're also suffering for, these are parents, you don't expect them to just sit down, fold their hands and start looking. If this boy had been given enough money by the doctor, according to this comment now, that the money was given to the doctor, it was the doctor who sourced, for this boy. And this boy, I think he wasn't paid well. If he was paid well, he would not run away from the hospital. And if it was actually explained to him that, this is what you're going to do there, there's no hiding, no secrets. It shouldn't have been a secretive thing. There are a lot of people who are looking to sell one of their kidneys because of hardship, just to sort the problem that they have in their life. They are okay selling it. You should have gotten one of those people and tell them that this is what is going on, the actual truth, so that the person would not even be shocked, even if somebody, ran up to them to say that, look at what is happening. No, this is, hope you're aware. They will not be shocked to find that out at the hospital. But in this situation, it seemed like the boy wasn't briefed properly and he wasn't paid enough. And when he discovered that, this is what is going on, he ran away from the hospital and he went to seek asylum. Let's take another comment from Ayodele Olowo June. Says, in a nutshell, the boy above minor age, 21 years, good. I'm happy for them. They know the laws too. Even if the boy is above 21 years, it's only going to reduce their sentence. I don't think it's going to, remove the fact that, they are trafficking organ. Organ trafficking is a crime in the US. Even if you are above 18 safe, you still cannot do it. There are proper channels to follow. Ideally, there's a list that you need to follow, to get a kidney donor or kidney transplant, to get a donor so that you can do your operation. There is the process that you follow. There is the list. Until you get to number one, where is your turn? You have to wait until it's your turn. But a lot of people do not want to go through that process. Instead, some of these people, go to other countries, get somebody that is ready to sell their kidneys and, do a kidney transplant. But it is against the rules. It is against their constitution in the UK for you to, be involved in organ trafficking. I don't think that the age of a boy is going to help. If it's going to help in any way, it's only going to reduce their sentence, nothing more. Moses says, them say foreigners now come to Nigeria to receive treatment, but our leaders travel to foreign land for medical checkup and treatment. That's one. That minister is not serious. I don't know where he got the information from. How can you leave, a system that is working and then you prefer to come to Nigeria to do it? Especially the only reason why someone will leave the US, the UK to come to Nigeria for treatment is when they want to do something illegal, like organ transplants. They know that, organ trafficking is against their constitution over there. That is the only thing they can come here to do. Apart from that, I don't think that they will leave a system that is working and come to Nigeria. Nah. You all, let's have your thoughts and opinions in the comments section. Thank you very much for always listening and watching, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.